Hi, I'm Josh Oakes, and I want to teach you how to set up Pinterest, a guide for students. Now, this isn't the actual video. You have to be a Parent University member to watch the video, but I want to just give you a light overview of what I actually teach students. We teach the positive side of social media. And in the training video that is about 15 minutes long, your students learn everything about Pinterest and why it's so important. The first thing we do is we go Google me and show you what can go right and what can go wrong and what can go right. Like, I don't know this person, I don't know this person. We use Pinterest to get rid of them, believe it or not. And we use Pinterest and I show them where my Pinterest lives on my third page and how I control my Google image. I teach them how to set this up. I teach them what the boards are and how to pin positive stuff into the boards, how to go through and weed them out. I become the bad person. That's why I hope you'll join. We go through all of Pinterest really pretty quickly. You sit them down, give them an incentive, figure it out, have some fun with your family, laugh at me and with me. And we use me as a good and bad example. So I hope you'll do that. You can learn more at smartsocial.com, where you can sign up for Parent University. And you can see all of our positive videos that help you set a good example for your kids, keep them safe way ahead of time, and make sure that they someday shine online. I hope you'll unlock the video. I hope you'll join and also jump into Footprint Friday, our tool that protects kids all over the world. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'll see you soon. Have a great day.